love this bird.
I love it too.
Good job. Hi guys, welcome to Parrot Playhouse. I'm here with my mother, she's over there. And we are going to Pet Adoption Day at Grossmont Center to volunteer for Peace. So we have our Victoria Cockatoo merch on, and we're about to go over to the Peace booth and help them set up. So I'm so excited, you guys. It's important that we adopt and we don't shop. And I'm so excited that you can come along and watch this event today, because it is what it's all about. I'm a little bit out of breath. Oh, and there's Gail. Hi, hey, hello, there's Gail. A volunteer, so everybody's setting up here, as you can see. This is so exciting. And then we've got the Peace Wings. Here's Bobby. Hello, yay! So Bobby is an awesome volunteer. And Daniela?
Well, that's right.
Yes, and here's Daniela. So they've been setting up. Look what a gorgeous job they're doing. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. This thing is not easy to set up. So we're going to get this party started. Here we go. He is so precious. Oh, he is just so precious. These are the kind of birds that are in rescue. Like, I think people don't give rescue birds all the respect they should. They think, rescue birds come usually sick or all kinds of issues. No, you guys, you've been misinformed if that's what you think. Look at this. It's about getting to know the birds. It's about understanding birds, and you're gonna have problems regardless. It comes down to you, whether you understand birds, whether you know how to work with birds. It's up to you if it's gonna work, right? Yeah? And the bird has to choose you. That is so important. They have to choose their people. When I say choose their people, it's amazing. Here with Polo. Polo's for adoption. Can you say hi, Polo? So Polo is such a good bird. Yeah. And I have known Polo probably for 9 years. I've seen him come and go from Peace. So he was adopted the first time, and life happens. And so now he's back here, and he is the sweetest bird. And as far as I know, he was with two families that loved him so very much. But because these guys live so long and things happen in life, he's back here at Peace. Yeah? And the special thing about Polo is he loves children. He loves children so much. If we can find a kid here, he gets like, children? Where's the kid? We gotta find kids. This is so sweet. He gets so happy, you guys. And he's helped raise 2 sets of family children, right? Yes, he has. Yeah, and I know he misses them so much because they were both very special families. And Polo has stayed with me for a while. That was like, 7 years ago? So he recognized me. He stepped right up for me.
They have long memories.
They do.
Everything from way back.
You remember Lisa, right? She was helped with the Viktor rescue. Hi, Viktor.
Hi, Victor.
Hey, Victor.
Hi, Ginger and Cooperberry.
How are you guys doing? We're going to have to go out there and visit them.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. And get an update on Viktor, how he's doing. Look. Oh.
This is how it happens. Look at my mom.
That's how it happens.